Hey everyone, posted something to Spotlight and want to take it down? I'm going to show you how to manage and potentially remove your snaps from Snapchat Spotlight, giving you control over your content. First up, open Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. Now tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, scroll down until you see the Spotlight and Snap Map section. Tap on My Spotlight Submissions. This is where you'll find all the snaps you've submitted to Spotlight. Here you'll see a list of your Spotlight submissions. It's important to note that Snapchat does not offer a direct delete button for Spotlight submissions once they've been posted and are actively being queued. However, there are ways to manage the visibility of your submissions. Tap on the submission you want to manage. Look for a hide or manage option. The exact option might vary based on Snapchat updates. If a hide option is present, use it. If your submission has gained a significant popularity, it might be more challenging to completely remove it, as it may have been distributed to a wider audience. The best way to approach is to be mindful of what you submit to Spotlight in the first place. If your submission violates Snapchat's community guidelines or has been used without your permission, you can report it to Snapchat. So, while fully deleting a Spotlight submission might not always be possible, you can manage the visibility of your uploads. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.